Dubai foreign whips. Like gorgeous. I ain't got a boring bitch. Nah. Yeah. Boom. Real big drip. Watch out, don't slip. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Hope you having a good morning. Because I know somebody who is. What?
That is cookies.
Cookies?
Yes.
Looks like someone didn't sleep with their bonnet on. But it's okay. Another little water can't fix. No, you're not getting no cookies. You just got up. Like, what are we so good about?
The boy. The boy. Push.
Bush. Oh, you pooping.
This is.
Gracious? You better not be pushing. You poo-poo?
This is mommy. What I should do.
Is this and baby sister? You ready to see Raya?
Great. Daddy.
You love everybody?
Mm.
We love you too, baby. You're so sweet. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. Can I have a dap? Can I have a dap today? Can I have a dap? Gracious. Gracious. You can't give mommy a dap. Give me a dap. Shoe fly. Get out of here. Right, let him know. Get out of here. See? I told y'all there's no screens on this window. And like, dude refuses. I'm like, okay, well, we can just go buy the material ourselves. You can get some screen from... Okay. Stop, silly. Stop, silly girl. I told you she wake up on 10. Gracious. Oh, bro. You see? Every time she don't listen, she end up busting her ass. Say, good morning. Buenos dias. Get your stinking toes. Say, buenos dias. Oh, we not doing this today. Gracious, we not doing this today. Gracious. Gracious. That's what you want to do? Gracious. Gracious. That's funny. You want to eat your toast for breakfast? Great. You press the button? Let me see. Sing it. Hey, hey, it's music day now. Hey. Let me see. Wait, don't step in the dirt. Mommy's sleeping.
And mommy's sleeping. I'm too loud.
I'm too loud? Oh, okay. Apparently I'm sweeping too loud. But I'm cleaning up right now, and then I'm going to detangle my hair, and I'm going to wash my ass. So I'm actually... Gracious. Look at that. So that means you pee on my floor somewhere. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh. Come on, let's go. Bro, I really need a camera. So change of plans. We're putting Gracious in the tub. We're gonna go clean up the piss on the floor because there's pee somewhere on the floor. Run her bubble bath. I'm going to finish sweeping up the floor, do the dishes, and then tend to myself. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. So, look at this. Y'all thought I was playing with y'all? Like, it's like buried in my hair. It doesn't even look like I have a hair. I didn't even need a hair tie. That's all stiff. Look at this. It's literally become a nest. I'm so cute. Right now, I'm going to comb my hair out. It's necessary for me to do this because I can't live my life like this anymore. Realize that, you know, just because I'm a mom, I have to fill my squirt bottle up. Just because I'm a mom doesn't mean that I need to completely neglect myself all the time. That's gonna change. And right now, I'm gonna comb my hair. Hi. Shrill's here. But yeah, Phil, try to put your hand for that.
Jeez.
It's like this. Right, let's get to it. even be able to tell this is the same person. You should be ashamed of yourself. Like when my hair gets like this, I'm legit embarrassed because literally you guys see when I posted my Family Dollar haul, my hair, if I actually had more discipline, like look at this. There's no way in hell my hair should ever look like this. Fellow naturalistas, don't come for me. Your hair looks like cobwebs. This looks like the stuff that you put up on Halloween on the bushes. Inserts clip. God, it looks like it's so damaged, and it's not. It's just been neglected. I'm so sorry for neglecting you. Hey, my hair is fully combed out. Girl, my hair is dirty. There's like literally brown water all over the counter. Looks like somebody was cleaning their feet in here. Not that much hair for how bad my hair actually looked. I should probably go to Family Dollar now. I'm gonna get me like deep conditioners. I mean, I have this deep treatment hair mask, but it's not even a full thing. And I feel like I need a full thing right now. So I think I'm about to head to Family Dollar. I guess we'll see. Let's go. Hello, I'm back. Got the girls in the tub right now. We got Gracious
my cookies.
and Sita. You can't have your cookies in the tub, baby.
And my cookies.
Nobody told you you had to take a bath. You decided to. You can't bring cookies in the tub. You can't have cookies in the tub. But mind you, this is for Sita's bath, because Gracious already took a bath. But if she feels like hopping in your shower or your bath, she does. But then she has an attitude because she can't bring her Oreos in the tub with her.
No.
Yeah, no cookies in the tub. Unless you want me to wash you and you can get out right now. You want to get out? You want to get out and get your cookies? You want to get out?
Yes.
You want to get out? Yes or no? I'm trying to do a haul because I just went to Family Dollar and got some stuff. So I'm trying to do a haul. Can I do my haul?
No.
Clearly.
No.
Clearly.
No.
Okay, so this is everything I just got at Family Dollar. Of course, it was bargain because this is a bargain shopper. I got myself a collagen lip mask and it was 50% off, of course. The nail polish remover because my toenail polish looks like I've had it on since freaking New Year's.
Yeah.
Terrible. This, to take them off. I got a charcoal spa treatment mask. I thought I grabbed the gold one too. Guess not. Collagen mask, some shower caps. So these were all reduced too. So deep conditioning protein pack, coconut oil, that was 88 cents. This one was curl boosting jelly, only 88 cents. This is what I use also for my wash and go. So I'm gonna have an updated video showing you guys the different products I use for different outcomes for wash and go. So stay tuned for that. Olive oil replenishing conditioner pack because I'm gonna put one of those in my hair tonight. This one was a leave-in conditioner, 88 cents. Like Curls Unleashed as well, same company. Some nail polish, pink lip glitter, so I'm gonna put that on. That was 50 cents. LA Colors Blue Mint Scented Lip Balm, that was 50 cents. LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss Super Shine, I thought that was cute, that was $1. Okay, so this is a new product that I'm gonna try, that I wanna try, but it's curl stretching pudding. So my hair has a pretty good length, but then with shrinkage and stuff, it goes up. So this is supposed to minimize natural shrinkage and temporarily reveal a longer fro or curly coiling style with this ultra moisturizing pudding that elongates and defines twists and braid out styles like hold smooth cuticles for frizz-free finish. Great for 3 to 4C type hair, sulfate-free, color safe. So I'm gonna try this out, let you guys know. I might put this in a wash and go routine. We're gonna see. Got some lighters because I need lighters. The thing that I never have done before, but I kind of want to try, and it was only $3.75, but it's Majestic Blue Splat, and it's supposed to be semi-permanent dye. I don't know anything about semi-permanent dye, so if you do, let me know. But I'm gonna do my own research. But I might dye my hair blue. We'll see in a future video. That's everything I got. I'm giving the girls a bath right now. You know, multitasking, filming, hauling, momming. Say, oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
So I'm about to, cause remember earlier, I fucking quit on accident.
Man, you didn't
Oh,
quit the
fucking
game
hell.
by accident. You did it on
I was
purpose.
winning.
But if you don't like how you're winning, like if they did some stupid shit, you're quitting the game.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I
are.
don't do that
Can you
anymore.
put this out there for
I'll
me?
play 4 games.
What is it? Let's do the team. What is it? The first.
Boston, Astros, and the Dodgers.
All right.
Whichever one Gracious grab first is the one, and I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna play the full season. It's gonna be tough, but whichever one, I'm not. You know what I mean?
Boston is this one.
Boston, Astros, Dodgers.
Pick a cookie, baby. Wow! I told you every time.
Get the fuck.
I tell you every time, go with Boston.
Pick the Boston.
I told ya, baby.
Okay,
Good
I'm gonna
job.
go Boston. G.
Yeah.
She
Wait,
grabbed
I gotta.
Boston.
Can you
My
grab me?
baby.
Can you grab me a cup?
My baby, for some reason, when we go, always play with the Red Sox. You said what, honey?
Can you grab me a cup?
Yeah.